Welcome to All Invoice. In this video, we're going to discuss setting up a client who is billed on a specific date of the month for the work that was previously done in the account. We'll also show you how to bill that client for that time worked. To get started, click on the Clients tab, and we're going to create a new client. We're going to use this information. The client's name is Bill on Date 1. The billing terms: bill on the 25th of every month for any work done the previous month at a rate of $10 per hour. So we'll name our client. Allowed balance is an optional field. If you want to set a stop amount, if the client has a, for example, a negative $2,000 balance, you could set that here. You could also leave that field blank. It's purely optional. Refill balance, refill rate, and refill quantity all apply to billing for a set amount, not on a specific date, so those can all be left blank. Active, yes, we can set a note. Bill on the 25th of every month. Submit. So you can see we have our Bill on Date 1 client created. They have no balance, and we will not have a utilization rate for them since we didn't fill in any of the information before. We're just going to bill them on a set date. So we'll need to create a project for that client. So click the Projects tab and click Create a Project. Client, Bill on Date 1. Bill on Date 1 Project. Start date's an optional field. You could set that for today if you wanted to. Hourly rate was $10 per hour. Active, yes. Any notes, and submit. So you can see our project's been created. We'll need to assign an employee who's going to work on that project. So click on the project, then assign whoever the employee working on that project would be. So other employee has been assigned. Now I was going to show you how to bill this. Obviously we just created a new project and client, so there won't be any billing done. But I went ahead and created another account called Bill on Date 2. It has a negative $230 balance. You can actually see the work sessions here. November 4th, November 11th, and November 18th. We worked for a total of $230 at that $10 per hour rate. So let's go create an invoice. Go to the invoice section, click Create an Invoice. Find the client, Bill on Date 2. They have a negative $230 balance. Submit. So we know they have a negative $230 balance and their hourly rate is $10 per hour. So that'll be 23 hours. We can put a description of the service done, and if you click Save, that will generate that invoice. So here you can see the invoice. If you need to email it to the client, you can click this tab. If you want to see the invoice, you can see that here. Once we've received payment from the client, you can mark this invoice as paid by clicking the Record Payment tab and submitting it. So now you see that invoice is paid. If we go back to the client, you can see Bill on Date 2 is a zero balance now. So then from now on till the next 25th of the month, any work done will accrue in the balance and we can bill them again. That's it for this video on how to set up a new client who bills on a specific date. Thanks for watching, and look at our other videos on the All Invoice application. Thank you.